Hello and welcome back to Dev Dynamo AG. Today tutorials we are driving into an exciting project where we will be implementing a retrieval augmented generation model or RAG for short using Azure OpenAI text embedding model. Okay, we are going to do this without relying on LangChain and keeping the things streamlined and straightforward. First up, I will show you how to deploy the Azure Text Embedding model to Azure, making use of OpenAI powerful capabilities to enhance our text processing task. Next, we will set up a vector database. We are using Sequelize for the database management, a fantastic choice for working with Node.js. And the best part, we will set it up a single store. Okay, a vector database which offer a free tier perfect for our needs without any cost. Then next we will be developing our backend using Node.js, ensuring that our application is robust and scalable. This setup is ideal for handling complex queries and operation needed for our RAG implementation. Throughout this project, we will focus on practical application managing product data. This context will give you a real world scenario where these technologies can be applied effectively. Throughout this project, stay tuned, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started on this journey. So let's start by creating our uh, deploy our model now. So guys, in order to deploy our model, first you need a account of a Azure. Okay, so you can sign up. You will get some free credits, okay, for free tags. So let's start with creating resource group first. So I'll click on this. After that I will click on create. So I will select here subscription as free trial, and I will give some resource name here. So I have given here name as YouTube text embedding resource. Okay, and I will use here central India. Okay, so Asia Pacific Central India I have selected here. Next, review and click create. Just click on create button. So congratulations, your resource has created. Now search here OpenAI. Okay, and click on this. Now click on create Azure OpenAI. So here you need to select the resource. So I have created here YouTube text embedding resource. After that I will select the same region. Okay, let us take any region. So we'll take this one default only. Okay, and I will give here some name like text embedding. Okay, any name. Price I will just take as stand. So okay, so I've changed the name to my model. Now just I will click on next. I will make the same. I will not change anything in networks. Okay, I will leave it as default. Click on next, then next. Next, click on create. So guys, you can see our model is deploying. Resource is creating. Okay, so I will click on this go to resource. So guys, you can see there is a resource manager. So there is a key and endpoints. Okay, and I will click on this model deployments and click on this manage deployments. So here it is saying welcome to Azure AI OpenAI Studio. So I will select the plan as create rar, and I will select the resource as my model. Okay, just which we have created, and use this resource. I have clicked on this. Now I will come down. So here it is saying that create a new deployment. So I will click on this now. Create a new deployment now. Give any name. So I will give here text embedding. So it is saying to select the model. So I will select here model as text embedding ADA 002. Okay, or you can use small also. It depend on your choice. So for now I will use any from this anyone. Let me take it as large. Okay, it will be standard, and I'll make the limit to 350 now. Okay, and click on create. So guys, you can see here it is successfully created deployment. Okay, so I'll click on this now. So from here you can edit the deployments and delete the deployments. Okay, so for now I will go to deployments now. So guys, I will come back here, and in order to use this that model, just we have to use this access key, region, and endpoint. Okay, so guys, in order to get the access key for this, I will click on this switch to new version. Okay, so guys, this is the new version. In the deployments, it is our deployed text embedding model. Okay, I'll click on this. So you can see here it is our endpoint, and this is our key. Okay, so from here this we can access. So let's try this in Postman, test whether it is working or not. Okay, so guys, I was now in the Postman. I have pasted the URL here and with the post method, and in the body I have selected raw JSON, and I have given this input and model name. Okay, this URL I have copied from here, and this access key I have copied. Okay, and in the headers I have given API key, and this value I have given. Okay, this whatever the key was there I have pasted here, and thus I have given here hello world and the model name as. Okay, from where I have taken the model name. So from here I have copied the model name also. Okay, so I will click on send now. So you can see in the body JSON we have got the embeddings. Okay, so this embedding we will store in the database. So everything is fine, is working now. Let's start creating database now. So in order to use the single store, I will search here single store vector database. Okay, I have clicked on this, and I will click on this second link. Okay, I'll click on get start for free. Okay, now I will sign up with Google. I will hit on continue, and here I will accept the term and condition. I will continue here. So what you want to use like a vector database. Okay, MySQL or Postgres, MongoDB, what you want to use, you can give. For this, I will take MySQL vector database. Okay, okay, let us take vector database and continue. And so I will click on load data now. So continue here. Explore my own. Okay, so here it is saying as your started workspace is ready now. Okay, so guys, here on deployments I will click now. I'll click on access. Okay, and add user, and I will give some username. Okay, so YouTube rack. Okay, or you can give YouTube rack. Okay, like this, and this the page same password I will keep, okay, whatever that it generated, and I will give the permission read and write. Okay, I have this copy and pasted in notepad this username password, and click on add user. So you can see one user has added successfully. So guys, in order to access this database, we have created this user. After that, I will go to overview and come down. Here you can see there is a connect. Okay, so I'll click on this and I will select your app. Okay, and I'll come to SQL IDE. So by using these things, we can access our uh, database. Okay, so for this, I will open my MySQL database and I will try to connect this. Okay, so in order to connect my SQL, I have opened my workbench. So I will click on this plus sign here. You can see one dialog has created opened. So I will give here name as YouTube single store DB. Okay. After that, I will go to the overview and I will copy the host first. Okay, and I will copy and paste the host name here, and I will copy the port. I will paste here, and I will copy the username like YouTube rack. Okay, and I will paste here the password, okay, which I have copied. So I have copy pasted the password here and I will click on OK. Click on test connection. So guys, here we need to give the default schema name. Okay, so I will go to that host. So from here I will copy the database name and I will paste it here. Now I will click on test connection. So congratulations guys, your single store MySQL database has successfully connected. Click on OK and then OK. So click on this. Now I will execute here command show databases. So you can see there is a two databases now. Okay, and I will use this database now. So you can see here the second command has executed successfully. So now let's create our Node.js project, and there we will implement the logic related to RAG application. Now our database has successfully created and our embedding model also deployed. So let's move to backend part now. Now let's start implementing Node.js backend, guys. So here I will open my terminal. So this is the project. You will get this backend code in the GitHub link in the description. You can check out. Okay. So I will make here folders as controllers. Let's start with utilities. Okay. Services, models. Okay. And routers. So our folders has created. Now I will create here one file as let's create here one file. Uh, like we will use here products. Okay, so I will create here products.json. Okay, and I have some JSON, so I will copy paste here. So in this video we will use this data. Okay, so what is the plan is, um, this data, we'll make one API, and when we call that API, that data will be added, like one by one this data will be extracted, and it will be it's we will pass the data to in stringy form to embedding model, and it will create embeddings. That embedding plus this data we will store in the our database. Okay, single store database. So let's create our utilities. So we will implement here now database related code. I'll make here one file as database.js file. Okay, now const something is equals to I want to require Sequelize. I will input here Sequelize. So here I will paste some boilerplate code, like I want to like connection here. So you can see here, DB is equals to new Sequelize I have taken, and this is our database name. If you remember, while creating our Sequelized database, we have given like this, and this is the username and this is the password, and this is our host. Okay, and what dialect we are using, MySQL, and what is the port, and for the certification ignoration I have given like this, and log is equals to true, means we can see the log from here, and this database connection I have exported from here. Okay, next let's create one embedding. Okay, like if I will go to Postman, so I have opened the Postman here, you can see. So here we have taken the model as text embedding large, and our database. Okay, this is now if I will write here hi and click on send, you can see here will. Okay, wait a minute. Methods, this is our API key, this is the body, we should post. Okay, we should post the data. So see our window embedding we are able to get. Okay, so guys, in the utilities I will make some utility get embeddings. Okay, so I'll go to utilities now, and I will create one get embeddings. Okay, .js file. In this I will create one functions. Okay, so const get embeddings async. Okay, here I will receive some data. Okay, which we will embed, and just I will model dot export from here get embedding, and I will wrap this code into try and catch. Okay. And if any error occurs, I will console log the error, and I'll throw the error from here. Okay, now here I will call some fetch request. So it is a fetch request, and this is our endpoint which we have seen in the Postman, and this will be the post method, and headers I was passing like this. And if you remember, in the headers we are passing key, so I have passed the key here, and body colon JSON dot stringify, I have stringifying the body input which we will give, and the model. Okay, so I'll come here, I will open embeddings. You can see this is our body, this is our heads. Okay, so API we are passing, and it's our post request, and so we are doing the same thing here also. Okay, so after that what I will do, I will take here let embeddings is equals to let us take embeddings. Okay, embedding, and what I will do, if response dot okay. Okay, if response dot okay, then we will do something like a const JSON response Response is equals to await response.json we will do, and then embedding is equals to json dot data. If I will go here again, see where we are getting the data. Body at request. See here in this response dot data, it is an array. In that array, the first array of 0 dot embeddings, we will get the our eventings. Okay, so the similar way here also, the JSON response uh, dot data, the data of 0 and that embeddings we need. Okay, so same thing I have given here. Now what I will do from here, I will return this embeddings. Okay, so this is our utilities for getting the embeddings. Now we will go to service, and in the service layer we will make the service, okay, related to that. So I will create here product service now. Okay, so product dot service dot js file. Okay, what I am thinking here, const create product. Okay, here we will create the product, and I was thinking that I will receive here product and embeddings. Okay, embedding. Okay, and after that what I will do, uh, const some escape function I will create, escape string. Okay, so what I have done here, const escape string. In this function, it is a function, and in this function we are getting a string, and we are replacing if that string has single quotes into double quotes. Why? Because while inserting we need double quotes. Okay, so if suppose in some data the string is like that. Okay, something like that, so it will convert that string to with double quotes. Okay, with double quotes like this. So it is doing like this. Now there will be query insert into products. Okay, for now we haven't created the product model, so let's create first product model, and I will come back to again here again. Okay, so I will create here new file like product dot model dot js file. Okay, in this first I will import data types from Sequelize, and const Sequelize is equals to require utilities from database. Okay, next what I will do, const product is equals to this Sequelize dot define. Okay, this product, in this I will define something. Okay, so first field I want to define as id. Okay, and it will be of type string, or let us take as string also we can take. Now let us take, okay, let's take string only, and after that, so guys, after that I want string description, categories, brand, size, suggestions. It is a JSON type. You can see, yeah, I have given here JSON type, and other are string. Why? Because if I will come here in the product JSON, see here, it is a JSON format. Okay, so for this array we can't define like that array of array, so we have to take the type as JSON in the Sequelize. Okay, so after that, for embedding, okay, in the same here we will store embeddings. Okay, so I will give here vector embedding. Okay, this is the field, and it is of type data types dot blob. Okay, blob type, and allowed null is equals to true. So guys, everything is done. So model also done. Also we need package.json. I have forgotten that, so I will create that also. So here I will create npm init icon y. Okay, and after that you can see package.json has created here. So I have some dependency I will paste here. Like for node bonds, we want for dev dependency and Sequelize SQL2 and Sequelize these packages we need to connect to database. Okay, and Express and body parser. Okay, so and after that just I will npm install so that our package will be installed. Okay, so our packages has installed successfully. Now also I will create here one index. After that, like our model also created, you can see. Okay, so let's move to service again. So in the service, what I have done, like I inserting id, title, description, brand. Okay, embeddings and created date and updated date. Why I have done this I will explain. Okay, because internally by Sequelize itself only it will create these two fields, so that's why I have taken. And in the product I will get product.id, title, description. Okay, category, brand. Okay, so I was passing as it is, but when I will insert embeddings, we have to take this function. Okay, JSON array pack in the brackets, we have to take in the inside the string that array. Okay, so that embeddings will come inside here, and now function will give current time to created date and updated date. So this is for insert. Okay, so after that this db. Okay, so db we have already created, so I will import the db. Okay, from utilities. Okay, here we have created, right, this db I have imported. So dot query, I was passing this query and query types. Okay, query type also we have to import. So query type is from Sequelize dot insert. Okay, next after that we are returning that product from here. Okay, created product. Also model dot export is equals to created product. Okay, also for searching we need something. Okay, for searching the product, so I'll create here function to search the product. So const search product is equals to async. uh, we will search the product from embeddings. Okay, suppose I have given I want a product for uh, iPhone or phone products. I want phone, so give me the products. So the AI will give embeddings. Okay, so that embedding I will give, and I will give in the search. Okay, so let select query. Okay, so this is the select query, guys. So you can see here. So select star comma dot underscore product. Okay, dot underscore product I have given vector embedding that field comma means we are dot producting. Okay, this vector values. Okay, so that the matching vector we will get in the response as score from products. And what I will do here, order by uh, score. I have given alias as score, so whatever the top ranking for the vector will come, that product will come at the top. And I will give the limit to 10 only for now, or else we can take 5 only. And this db dot query, I was passing this query, and this will be the query type of select. Okay, and I was returning the selected product, and this service I will return. Okay, in the model dot export. Now let's start creating, guys, controllers. Okay, so I'll create here one product dot controller dot js file. Okay, in this controller what I will do, I'll create controller. Okay, so const create product. Okay, product just a sync. here I'm expecting I will receive request response and next. Okay, and after that, what I will do, I will grab this code and try and catch. Okay, error, and if any error occurs, I will just next error, and also I will console log that error. Okay, next. Here, what I will do, just first of all, I will import that product. Okay, this product JSON I will import here. So const, uh, let us take product, products JSON. Okay? Products JSON. Okay, so require dot slash. This is the product JSON. Okay, so we have received the product JSON now. Now let's what I will do. Here I will make a loop. Okay, for loop. Okay, here what I will do, const, or let us take product of products. Okay, products JSON. Okay, in this products, whatever in the array, it will get one by one products. Okay, next what I will do, const embedding I want. Okay, so I can pass in the create product repository. Okay, embedding, you can see I have imported the successfully, and I will pass here product. Okay, this product I have passed. If I will go to this, you can see what we are passing here, data. Okay, so that product data we are passing, and that product data JSON dot stringified, and that embedding we are getting in the response back. Okay, so here we are getting the embeddings. Now what I will do, that product const, okay, create product data is equals to await. I will import now product controller. Okay, service. Okay, in the controller, product service is equals to require services dot product service. Okay, so I have required this, and this product service, if I will dot this, we will get here create product. You can see we are having two things. Okay, create product and search product. So inside create product, what we have to part, that product and that embeddings. Okay, so that embedding and products. Okay, so product dot whatever the data will be there, it will be inserted with the embeddings. Okay, so next, after creating the product, we will get the product back, and we'll console log here product created. Okay, and after that, the console log all products as created, and I will just return response dot status code as 201 or anything we can give, and I'll give all products as created. Okay, so this is the create product controller. Now I will module dot export, and in this I will pass this create product products controller. Okay, after that we need to search product controller. So const search product. Okay, async next, and this also I will try and catch this. Okay, and if any error occurs, I'll next this. Okay, so I will bypass. Okay, we will make a middleware, so that from there we will get the response back. Okay, so next, const, what I am thinking, in the request dot body I will get query. Okay, so query request dot body. Okay, whatever the query, uh, whatever the search the user want, they can give the query. Okay, and here also for that query I will get the embeddings. Okay, from the AI, and at last const search results. Okay, search results is equals to product dot. Okay, you can see search product, and in this we are passing this embedding and select star and dot vector embeddings. Okay, vector embedding JSON array pack. Okay, and here we are getting the data, and I have given the limit to 5. Okay, so this also ready, and just we will return response dot 200 and message search products, and data we are getting as search products. Okay, and I will pass this search products return. Now I will go to router. Okay, here I will create one router. So product dot router dot js file. Okay, so here we will create the routing related logic. So const express require express. Okay, and const router is equals to router, and const product controller is equals to require from product dot controller. Okay, and at last this create product will be get method. It should be post, but uh, we are having already data, okay, which we are taking retrieving from the create all endpoint. Okay, and what I will do, I will just async, or else what we can do, just we can give like this. Okay, product controller dot create product. So here we will get request response, and we can do what we want to. Okay, also router dot post query will post. Okay, so search for this I have done like this. Next, what we have to do, model dot export router. Now let us create a index.js file in this app. So index.js. Okay, so what we can do here, const express is equals to require express, and const body parser. Okay, this will parse the uh, string value. If we are passing any JSON data in the post, that will come in string, that will parse here. Okay, so here it will be parsed. Next is product router. Okay, I will get the product routers. Product router is equals to product dot router. Okay, after that uh, okay, so what I will do, I will go to this index dot here model dot js, and instead of getting this product from here, what I will do, just I will create here index dot js file. In this I will write the code related to association. If you want to implement the association related logic, you can implement here. Okay, so what I will do here, just I will input that db. Okay, const db is equals to require from utilities database. Okay, next const product. Okay, require from this dot slash product. Okay, product dot model. Next what I will do, const set up. Okay, database association is equals to, I will, this will be the async, and okay, so if you want to implement here association, you can. Okay, here just I will do await db.async. Okay, it will wait till our database connected. If our database connected, then I will console log here. Okay, so at last I will model.export is equals to set up. Okay, sorry. So from here only all the database and model will be exported. Okay, so if you want to use anywhere, we have to use from here only. So I will save this, and one change I want to do in the service also, because okay, everything is fine. Okay. So I will call this function in the index now. So const, sorry, is equals to require from index. Okay, or if you will not give this index also, it will come, because whatever the file name was there, if you will give the index, that name it will take automatically. Okay, so next what I will do here in the index.js, const app is equals to express, and const some port I will take. Port is equals to suppose 3000, and app dot use. Okay, JSON body parser I will give here. Okay, it will parse the into JSON, and I'll call the setup association where the database will be connected here. Okay, and also app dot use slash product slash, okay, slash create we have given, slash product slash create we have to give while creating the products. Okay, after that what I will do, just for handling error, if you go to any router or controller, see here we have given next to handle these errors, we have to make a middleware. Okay, handling error middleware. So app dot use like this I will give. Okay, here error will be received. Okay, that error, and at last app dot listen and some console log we will give here. Okay, so everything is fine, our code has set up successfully. Now we'll open database. Okay, so this is guys our database was. Okay, MySQL. Now I will execute this command show tables. Okay, before that I will use this table also, and I will execute this. Okay, so guys you can see here currently we are not having any tables. Let's start our app and let's see our table has created or not. Okay, so just what I will do, I will go to app. If you will go to package.json, you can see here we are having a script as for development, and this is for production. Okay, so npm run dev. Okay, and I will hit enter. See here our app server is running. Okay, let us see our database has connected. See here our database has created the table also. Okay, see. Okay, if I will go to database now, so that is the power of Sequelize. Okay, it will do the things automate. Okay, so our product table also created. Okay, if I will select all from the tab products, let us see what fields we have got. So guys, you can see here ID, title, description, category. Okay, suggestion, it is these two are JSON, and this is the blob type. Okay, vector embedding. Okay, and created it and updated it is by default it is created. Okay, we haven't touched. If we don't want it, we can pause that. Okay, you can check in the Sequelize document about that. So guys, let's start creating the products. Okay, so I'll click on the send button now. So you can see our product is getting inserting. Okay, also guys you can see how the product is getting inserted. Okay, like our embeddings are storing. Okay, you can see this embeddings is coming from AI. You can see this command is executing title, description. Okay, and ID, title, description. Okay, everything, and this is our embedding. If you will come here, JSON array pack. Okay, inside this embedding our embeddings were storing. Okay, make sure if you want like this functionality, make sure this should be a vector database. Okay, so guys you can see here all the products are created successfully. If I will go to workbench now, and if I will count of stars, let's see how many products we are having currently. So guys you can see here there is 67 products. If I will I will control select star from products, then you can see. So here we are data is added, so title, description. Okay, and some brand name it is giving. Also how many size was there, okay, and with the vectors, okay, you can see the blob type is vector now, and the timestamp, which at what timestamp it has created. So let's go to Postman now and search with some data, okay. So slash products slash search, we are having input and we have to give here some query, okay. So suggest me some best chocolates, okay. Okay, so I will click on send now. Let's see we will get or not. So boom guys, dark chocolate colored almond, okay. We have got the response like this, and let's check another. It is also here also coconut ice cream chocolate, okay. So let's check the brand tag. Here it is coconut bills, okay. um, Here is a brand is different. So of brand I will ask here, of brand, this one, coconut bills. Let's send on send again and let's search. So what we have got, see guys, the brand is got the coconut plus, and this product we have got, okay. Let's try some another prompt now. So let's ask here to suggest me some best almond products, okay, which has almonds, okay, almonds products. So let's click on send now. So let's see what we'll get, the products related to almond. So boom guys, organic almond butter we have got, okay. So it's working very efficient. You can see almond meal, and this is our embedding, which is generated by AI. You can see it. Also dark chocolate covered almonds, okay. It also having almonds now, okay. Organic almond milk, wow, very nice. Organic almond milk. Then we are having, so we have asked only 5, so it is suggesting like that. Let's try one more. So guys, now we will try to get some strawberry products, okay, and let's search. Yeah, you can see strawberry products we are getting now guys, okay, very nice, okay. So in this way you can implement guys, according to a requirement you can change the logic, and you can manipulate. However, I will give this code to GitHub. You can follow, or you can take the clone the code from the GitHub, and according to a requirement you can change there, okay. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe to DevDynamo AK and share it with your friends and colleagues to help them understand this powerful technology too. Stay tuned for more content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications.